What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today this is going to be a really quick tutorial. Actually, we're going to look at this picture right here of Billie Eilish. You requested this a lot, and it has those green flares in there, and I just wanted to share something with you. I've created these green flares for you to use on your pictures as well, to just kind of create that Billie Eilish green aesthetic look with your pictures. So check it out, link is under this video. This free green flare that I've created for you to overlay on top of your pictures. It's on my website, so make sure to download this before we get started with this tutorial. Also on my website, there's a huge preset pack, the all presets pack, with over 150 presets that will easily upgrade any of your pictures and recreate some super interesting looks. So make sure to check that out as well if you haven't already, because also the cool thing about this all presets pack is every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get a growing pack of presets. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link also under this video. Of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, if there's anything else you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always really excited to hear from you. Now, I've said enough. Go ahead, download that free green overlay that I've created for you, and then we want to open our picture in the free over app right here. Then we hit the plus sign down there, and now you hit image on the upper left side, and now you want to choose the image that you want to work with. This time I just took this picture of Billie Eilish because it comes super close to the one that we're trying to recreate with that dark background and those really high contrasts. So we open this, hit the check mark on the upper right side, and now on the bottom left, hit image again, and now you want to search for that file that you've just downloaded, this one right here, that free green overlay that I've created, and now it's on top of this. So now it's basically already done. You can just drag this around, zoom in, turn it, whatever you like, and of course always you can scroll over here to where it says opacity and pull that down to kind of enhance or decrease the effect. So maybe around here I think is kind of cool. Maybe move it to the left a little more right there, and then hit the check mark on the upper right side and export it on the upper right side again, save on the bottom left, and we are already done. And now this is it, guys, just a little Sunday quick tutorial for you. I wanted to share this with you to just easily recreate this green flare on top of your pictures to give them that Billie Eilish feel and flair. I hope you're happy with this. Once again, I've created this free overlay for you. Make sure to download it and work with this, get creative with it. It's just a little thank you from my behalf to you guys for really supporting this channel, showing me the love, watching my videos. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this. And of course, I hope to see you in the next video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out. And if there's anything else you need from me, any questions you have, or just ideas for new videos, I'm always open for any suggestions. So feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Thank you so much. Stay creative, stay healthy. Peace.